Our urban future stands at a crossroads. The world is rapidly urbanizing. More people than ever are choosing to live in cities. This concentration of people presents both challenges and opportunities. We must act now to ensure that our cities are sustainable for future generations. Cities are at the forefront of the climate crisis. They are particularly vulnerable to the impacts of extreme weather events, such as floods, heat waves, and droughts. These events can cause significant damage to infrastructure, disrupt essential services, and displace communities. However, cities are not just victims of climate change. They are also significant contributors to it. Urban activities, such as transportation, industry, and energy consumption, account for a large proportion of global greenhouse gas emissions. This makes it even more critical for cities to adopt sustainable practices. The challenges facing our cities are immense, but so too are the opportunities. By embracing sustainability, cities can become engines of economic growth, social progress, and environmental stewardship. Let us explore the path towards a more sustainable urban future. Climate change is no longer a distant threat. Its impacts are being felt in cities around the world. Rising sea levels threaten coastal communities. Extreme heat is becoming more common, putting vulnerable populations at risk. Intense rainfall and flooding are overwhelming drainage systems and causing widespread damage. These climate impacts have far-reaching consequences. They disrupt transportation networks, damage critical infrastructure, and strain healthcare systems. Moreover, climate change exacerbates existing social and economic inequalities, making the most vulnerable populations even more susceptible to its effects. The urgency to address climate change in cities is paramount. We must adapt to the changing climate and build resilience to future impacts. This requires a fundamental shift in how we design, build, and manage our urban environments. The time for action is now. We must transition to a low-carbon, climate-resilient future. This will require collaboration between governments, businesses, communities, and individuals. By working together, we can create cities that are not only sustainable, but also thriving and equitable for all residents. The concept of smart cities offers a promising pathway towards sustainability. By integrating technology and data, we can optimize urban systems and improve the quality of life for citizens. Smart sensors can monitor traffic flow and reduce congestion. Intelligent grids can integrate renewable energy sources and enhance energy efficiency. Green building practices are equally crucial. By using sustainable materials, we can reduce the environmental impact of construction. Energy-efficient buildings minimize operational costs and lower carbon emissions. Green roofs and walls provide insulation, reduce the urban heat island effect, and enhance biodiversity. Sustainable construction practices, such as using recycled materials and reducing waste, further minimize the environmental footprint of our cities. By embracing these practices, we can create healthier, more livable, and more resilient urban environments. The transition to sustainable cities requires a holistic approach. We must consider the interconnectedness of urban systems and strive for integrated solutions. By combining smart technologies with green building practices, we can create cities that are both environmentally sustainable and technologically advanced. Section 4, Transforming Urban Mobility, Innovation for a Sustainable Future. Transportation is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions in cities. Traditional transportation systems, reliant on private vehicles, contribute to congestion, air pollution, and inefficient energy use. Transforming urban mobility is therefore crucial for achieving sustainability. Electric vehicles, or EVs, offer a cleaner alternative to gasoline-powered cars. As the technology advances and costs decrease, EVs are becoming increasingly accessible. Furthermore, autonomous vehicles have the potential to revolutionize transportation systems, making them safer, more efficient, and more sustainable. Shared mobility options, such as ride-hailing services and bike-sharing programs, reduce the reliance on private vehicles and promote sustainable transportation choices. Investing in public transportation, particularly rail systems, provides an efficient and environmentally friendly way to move large numbers of people. creating pedestrian-friendly streets and encouraging active transportation options, such as cycling and walking, not only reduce emissions, but also promote healthier lifestyles and improve the overall livability of our cities. Section 5. The road ahead. Collaboration and innovation for sustainable cities. The journey towards sustainable cities is a collective endeavor. It requires the collaboration of governments, businesses, communities, and individuals working together to achieve a common goal. Governments play a vital role in setting policies, providing incentives, and creating an enabling environment for sustainable urban development. Businesses are essential drivers of innovation and technological advancement. By investing in research and development, they can bring new sustainable solutions to the market. Communities are at the heart of sustainable cities. Their active participation in planning and decision-making processes is crucial for creating cities that meet their needs and aspirations. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. By embracing sustainability as a core principle, we can create cities that are not only environmentally responsible, but also economically prosperous, socially equitable, and culturally vibrant. Let us work together to build a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come.